Hi everyone, this is Anushka connecting to you from IIM Bangalore. As we all know that the CAT response sheet is out and you guys must be knowing what your approximate percentile will be by this time. So for the students who have performed as per their expectation, kudos, congratulations, very well done. Please start working for your GDPI now. I am specifically here today for those who did not perform as per their expectations. And first of all, I would like to say that I understand what you guys are going through. I was in your shoes last year. I would tell you why. Because I panicked during the LRDI section of attempting CAT, and that impacted me by not letting my percentile touch that 99 plus mark. Okay, I got stuck a bit below it. So that brings a lot of uncertainty, right? Because given the competition, I might not get a call, I might not be able to convert that call. So a lot of uncertainty there. So here I would like to mention two things. First of all, please do not think that if you do not have a 99 plus percentile, you won't be getting calls from any of the top IIMs. All the IIMs have very different shortlisting criteria for their students. Some IIMs put a lot of emphasis on academics. Some IIMs put a lot of emphasis on CAT. So it will vary. And you will get calls. Okay. So even below, a bit below 99, you are going to get calls. Okay. Now, I would like to talk about the non-CAT examinations that are lined up after this. I think we have SNAP, IFT, XAT, etc. So I want to talk to you specifically about XAT. This is an examination that can get you into one of the best B schools in the country. Okay, trust me, XAT Jamshedpur is a dream school that you can get into. And if you can get into XAT, you don't have to look back. Okay, so when I was in your situation, what I did was, yes, I was pretty upset for the first couple of days, but then I decided that I won't let my preparation go into vain. Okay, I have prepared for 1 year. I will keep preparing and using that for the upcoming exams. Specifically, I was targeting XAT. Okay, so I kept studying, kept practicing, and that helped me. I got a 99.78 percentile in XAT and converted both XAT BM and HRM Quants. Okay. So what I would like to tell you here is, please understand that right now a lot of competition is going to go away. Okay, people are going to get demotivated. They're going to stop preparing, prepare next year. A lot of things, a lot of emotions are going to come into picture, and this is the opportunity you have to grab. Okay, you have to keep working hard. Please do not give in. Keep preparing and keep giving your best for the upcoming exams. Okay, and trust me, if you do this, you will be, if you have prepared, you will be in one of the top B schools next year. Okay, so I would request you, advise you that please do not give up at this point of time. Keep preparing. Do not lose hope. Everything will be fine. All the very best. Thank you.